Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off auto click after pointer stops on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down, and in here tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then we go down and tap on auto action after pointer stops. Tap on auto action. From the pop-up, if you want to turn it on, you can choose the click option. If you want to stop the auto click action, you select none. And that's it. So you can choose between none and click, or you could also choose click and hold or double click. And after the mouse pointer stops, it will perform a click action. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.